Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn 5 useful Excel shortcuts you must know. The first shortcut is Control Shift Space, which is used for select complete table. I just move to the sales report. Here is a table and I want to select all the table data. Just press Control Shift Space. It will select all the table data. The second shortcut is Control Tilde, which is used for to show the formulas. If you want to show the formula in your sheet, just press Control Tilde. It will display all the formula. If you press again Control Tilde, it will hide the formula. The third shortcut is Control 1. It will display the format cell dialog box. Just press Control 1. It will display format cell dialog box, which is very useful if you are working in Excel sheet. Control space to select entire column. If you have any table and you press Control space, it will select the column data of table. I just here press Control space, it will select column data of table. The fifth shortcut is Shift space. It will select the entire row. If you have a table and if you press Shift space, it will select row data of table. If you press Shift space, it will select row data of table. If you press Control space, it will select column data of table. These are 5 useful shortcuts which you can use in your Excel to enhance your work. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.